In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Janitor AI. By the end, you'll be able to quickly find the exact character you want and fine-tune your results so they match your preferences. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Any modern browser works, and you can use either the search box on the Google homepage or the address bar at the top of your browser, which also functions as a Google search. This makes it easy to get started from anywhere. Next, type Janitor AI into the search field. Keep it simple. Just the two words. Spelling it correctly helps Google surface the official site right away. If you see ads or similarly named services, take a second to confirm the result you're clicking is the genuine Janitor AI platform. Click the Janitor AI website in the search results to open it. You should land on the home page, which features a clean layout with a prominent search bar along the top. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second. Once it's fully loaded, you'll be ready to search. Click the search bar at the top to place your cursor there. This activates suggestions and ensures your keyboard input is directed to the right place. If you're on mobile, tapping the bar will also bring up your on-screen keyboard. Type the character name you want to search. For example, you could try Spider-Man. Capitalization isn't critical, but accurate spelling improves your results. If you're not sure of the exact name, try a few keywords like Spider Hero or Web Slinger, or include a franchise or genre to narrow it down. Short, specific terms tend to work best. Press Enter to run the search. The results page will populate with characters that match your query. If nothing looks right, adjust your keywords slightly and run the search again. Small refinements usually make a big difference. From here, click the filters you want to refine the list. Filters commonly let you narrow by tags, genre, language, popularity, or recency. You can layer multiple filters to get very specific. Apply a tag, then adjust the language, and sort by relevance or rating if available. If you go too narrow and see few results, remove a filter or two to broaden your search again. Watch how the results update in real time so you can quickly land on options that match your interests. That's all there is to it. Open Google, search for Janitor AI, enter the site, use the top search bar, type your character, hit enter, and fine-tune with filters. Happy searching!